In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Microsoft Loop, full 2026 guide. Emojis are a quick way to add tone, highlight action items, and make plans feel more human. I'll walk you through 3 reliable ways to add them in Loop: the inline shortcut, the emoji block, and the Windows panel, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, open your browser and go to loop.cloud.microsoft. This is the home of Microsoft Loop on the web. Once the page loads and you're signed in, you'll see your recent work and shared spaces. If you land on a different screen, don't worry, just head to your main Loop home to continue. Next, select Open a Workspace. A workspace is where related pages, tasks, and components live together. If you have several, pick the one that holds the document or plan you're working on. Opening the right workspace keeps your emojis and updates in context with the rest of your team's content. Now click on a page. Any Loop page will do: notes, a project brief, even a checklist. Place your cursor exactly where you want the emoji to appear so it lands in the right spot within your text or list. For the fastest method, type a colon followed by a keyword. For example, type a heart or our sparkles. As soon as you start typing after the colon, Loop filters matching emojis. Use the arrow keys to move through the suggestions, then press enter to insert. If you don't see what you need, add another letter or two to narrow the list, or press escape to close suggestions. After inserting, just keep typing. Add a space if you want to continue your sentence smoothly. If you change your mind, backspace removes the emoji like any character. If you prefer to browse, start on a blank line, type emoji, and press enter. This opens Loop's full emoji library. From here, you can scroll, search by name, or pick from categories. Click the emoji you want, and it drops right into the page. The slash command is perfect when you're not sure what you're looking for and want to explore options visually. There's also a quick system shortcut on Windows. Press the Windows key and the period key together to open the built-in Windows emoji panel. It appears anywhere your text cursor is active in Loop. Select an emoji and it inserts immediately. Because this is a system panel, it works across apps, not just in Loop. If you're not on Windows, stick with the colon shortcut and the emoji library inside Loop. That's it. Open Loop, head into your workspace and page, then choose the method that fits your flow. With just a few keystrokes, your pages become clearer, friendlier, and easier to scan.